Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Savita's Cakes and More. So today in our biscotti series, we are making one new biscotti which is actually very delicious. Once you start making these biscottis at home, you will not allow yourself to buy biscottis from the outer market. So today we are going to make blueberries and pistachio thin biscottis. These are ultra thin biscottis which you will love to eat. So let's start with the ingredients. We have taken 1 cup of flour. You can take maida also, all purpose flour. And then we have taken 1/3 cup of sugar. I have taken 2 eggs where we will separate these eggs. And then as the name suggests, we are going to take these 1/3 cup of blueberries and 1/3 cup of pistachios, which I have already chopped. And you can take few seeds also, any sort of seeds you can take to enhance the flavor. So let's start with it. I have already separated my eggs. This is my 2 egg whites and these are my 2 egg yolks. So let's start with it. So we will start with the flour first. I have taken my 1 cup of flour. To it I am adding half cup of baking powder, half a spoon of baking powder. I'll mix both of them nicely. Now you can take 1/3 cup of sugar and you can crush it, as well as you can use it as it is. So I am using it as it is. So now I will mix all my dry ingredients together till the time they are incorporated to each other. It will take hardly 1 minute. You can sieve it also. Now I will beat my egg yolks and add my egg yolks to this dry ingredients. So now I am adding my egg yolks. I have beaten them in the blender. You need to take out every bit of the yolk. Here I will add my vanilla essence, 1 spoon of vanilla essence. And then I will add my oil to it. Because these are biscottis, so the flour will not be a flowy sort of. And now I will beat all my egg whites. As I have taken 2 egg whites, I'll beat them and add to this. Meanwhile, what I have done is, I have soaked my blueberries for around 5 to 10 minutes. And now I am adding my blueberries also. I have drained the water and now adding them. I have beaten my egg whites separately and then I will mix it with the flour. We will add our egg whites. It has already like a soft peak. And we will mix it with rest of the ingredients. So this is already mixed. Now we are going to add our pistachio and these seeds. You can use pumpkin seeds or any seeds of your choice and just mix them nicely. Don't overdo the mixture. While we bake, we will bake it for around 15 to 20 minutes. as per the size of your pan also. My pans take hardly 12 to 15 minutes. You need to see accordingly. And then after that 15 minutes, we will take them out, let them cool for another 15-20 minutes and then cut them. So these are my biscotti pans where I used to make these blueberry and pistachio biscottis. Once you start making them at home, you will love them.
Pause.
So our 2 pans are already filled with the material. So now I am going to bake them. Just toss them lightly so that if any air bubbles are there, they can come out. Now I have already preheat my oven for around 10 minutes now. So I will bake them. So we will keep them here for around 15 to 20 minutes. Set them on time and the temperature should be around 160 degrees. So around 15 minutes, these are my half done biscottis which I will take out, cool them for around 15-20 minutes and then cut them back. So after cooling for around 10 to 15 minutes, here are my biscotti dough, half done. You need to cool it nicely, otherwise it will be difficult to cut it. So now we will cut around half a centimeter thick slices out of this. With a small knife, I am cutting this almost 3/4 of a centimeter because we are going to make them thin biscottis. They are very delicate right now. We'll cut all these slices in, spread it on a tray and keep them back in the oven for around 10 to 12 minutes. So we have cut our thin biscottis. Now we are placing them in oven for around 10 to 12 minutes or until they turn crisp at something around 170 to 172 degree. So our biscottis are ready. It took around 15 to 17 minutes. So if you like my recipe, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.